68. Sorry, not gold. Looking at the yes. Gold trading 42.78. Gold closing at 42.80s, 30 cents to go. 20 cents to go. What do we want to do with the 80s, Hogue? We're just going to hold this. Opening range trade, correct? This is essentially.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. I'm gonna talk to JD and we're gonna find a place to put the stop and profit here shortly.
42.80s. 42.80s. How about it?
Mm.
All right. Initial balance high, initial balance low. Hogue, let me know when you're ready.
I was born ready, man.
That's what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah.
Mhm.
My guy right there. What do you got? ES and Q.
All right. Yes. IB low 68.74.
6, 8.
IB high 69.04.
Okay. And Q.
And Q 25.673 half for the IB low, 73.50. 25.673.50. And for the IB high, 25.868 even.
6, 8 even. Roger that. All right. Just holding around those IB highs right now.
Yep.
All right.
Gold.
Anything on the
Gold.
juice?
Gold. You looking for some news? Oh, yeah. Was there an order in there? All this volume, they're holding. I mean, a lot of single prints, low volume traded in the ES in the 68.95 level. But they're just continuing to hold this thing bid. In the ES.
Yeah, not really pulling back at all.
No, it's not.
Kind of
No.
barcoding here on the 5-minute and the NASDAQ.
Crude.
No definitive direction.
Crude continuing just to grind higher. $60.42 now. There he goes. ES, new highs, ES, session highs, 69.04 in the orders.
Gold new highs.
Gold new highs, 42.81, not 42.82s. Look at this thing. Huh.
Yeah, we might just keep going here in NASDAQ too.
905 now, Prince, in the ES. What's that delta at in the ES, Hogue? Man, oh man.
I don't know, but I love gold. Delta, yes.
Shut up, Andre. Get the hell out of that stupid ass question.
I just love gold.
Got bigger fish to fry. Who gives a
Positive
shit about
10,000.
delta? What is it? What is it? One,
Positive 10,000 in the ES and flat, even in the NASDAQ.
Sorry for bothering you with that question. Look at that. Gold
No.
not done.
Get outta here.
42.83. Crude not done. $60.49. I'm looking at about a 15, I call it a 20, almost a $20 rally in gold in the last 20 minutes or so. Crude cooking, says Hoop. Yes, it is.
Bitcoin's cooking.
Yesterday
Crypto.
it drove me nuts. Today I love it.
Funny. Dakota, I heard you talking to yourself. Perhaps you're saying this isn't done. Are you still short or did you cut?
Yeah, I'm still short. I'm just letting this one play out. I took profit on one contract, and this one, basically a risk-free trade. Like, no matter what happens, this trade just scratched, even if it hits this stop loss. 'Cause I already took profit on one. It's holding up surprising. And then this market, Nvidia might be going green here. Apple was down, we're green. Scratch. Nvidia's scratch, basically. Negative 0.02. So this market holding up good today.
Look at the 5-minute. Perhaps a bull flag, or are we building structure up here for?
Yeah, perhaps. Yeah, you could easily look at this and say it's a bull flag as we break out. If we break out, the last 20 minutes we've been kind of going sideways. So if we don't go down, maybe we can have a breakout higher.
just like gold, breaking out higher. New highs 42.8460, call it.
Yep.
Can we get to
Bit
43? We can see 4300s. Why not? We could see 4300s today.
Why
in
not?
gold?
Yeah.
Why not?
Sure.
Why
Why
not?
not? Is this
You don't
the
even
start of
have
the
to have
stand
a
club?
reason.
No, we didn't. We didn't really have a reason all year. Well, never mind. Okay,
Santa Claus rally is going to start after the rate decision, right? It's usually the middle week. But you never know. Maybe
What's
it
that?
started
Already
early.
rallying.
I think it already started. I think we're looking at. We're about 50 points away from all-time highs in the ES. Yeah, just like that.
Remember, with stocks up this year, there's little incentive to sell for this tax year. I think January is where we could be in the possible danger zone.
Point.
Yeah. So crypto's down across the board. Like Bitcoin down 1, Ethereum, all that. But for some reason, good old Bitmine is in the green.
Good Lord.
Old new highs 42.85, 42.85 50 cents. 40. We see 42.86. House account long one micro go from 42.62, about more than 20 bucks in the money there. Gold on the bull, as Eddie would say.
Jack, I know you love
All
it.
right.
Mm-hmm.
We've got a little bit of range extension above the IB high in the ES here. See if we get a failed upside auction.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe.
Okay.
Maybe. We shall see.
Can we get another push here? 42.86 in talking about gold here. We're staying bid in the ES. Look at this. Look at that 5-minute chart in the NQ. And we're looking at this range. Lower end. Call it around
Nasdaq's just
yeah.
sideways. Barcode
Just up
doesn't
0.5% in the ES. We're up 0.9 NASDAQ. Russell's up 0.3. Andre, I have 4 different beverages in front of me. I was looking for some really explosive movement here. We haven't got it yet. So,
Wait. Well, oh, hey.
Are any of them whiskey?
on a side note,
I was going to say,
Andrea,
did you get
at
started
some
early?
point,
5 o'clock somewhere.
no, I have a Coke Zero.
Nope.
I have a sugar-free Red Bull. These are both dead soldiers now. I have a San Pellegrino Zero Sugar, also done. And then my giant water chalice. On a side note, Andrea, in about 10 minutes, I am going to need a 2-minute break. Thank you.
I see what you did there. Bougie.
Ve-
San Pellegrino, Red Bull.
Very
What was the other one? Coke Zero. I mean, man,
Coke
man.
Zero, people's drink.
Yeah,
very hydrated. Very
you know,
hydrated
very,
over there.
brand loyal. 42.86 gold. What a nice push to the upside. Man, they used to have
We're getting a
pallets,
little
literally
bit of-
pallets of Red Bull at the prop firm, and
Oh yeah,
pallets of
support
them.
those.
Just yeah. It's a different time. A different time. All right, we're holding bid in the ES 6900. Bit of a rock fight here. And 6905. This
Quant scuffle.
Quant scuffle, tug of war.
We're down
And
to the low
gold.
of this range that we've been in. Let's see if we can break down below it. Or will it hold? Will these 630s hold?
Oh, all-time high. Air horn for silver? Is that true? Air horn for silver. Pew, pew, pew. Shout out, chat.
Auga.
Mm-hmm.
Gold not done. I'm saying it, damn it. Gold not done. 42.90. now trades on the march to 4,300. We're looking at a $30 rally, almost a $30 rally in the last 30 minutes as we trade 42.90. How's the count long from 42.62?
That's a
See if we get another 800 ticks out of this sucker.
Oh, look at you.
Let's go. Let's
At
go.
all-time highs. What is it 43.99 or so all-time highs in Z Gold? Oh, 44.36. That's for this contract. A little pullback here in crude. Let's trade $60.37, off about 13 cents from the highs.
Mm.
NQ, and just look at that 5-minute
Barcode, man.
Look at that beautiful barcode.
It is.
What we're talking about in barcode, look at the 5-minute since the last 25 minutes or so in the NQ. Lower
Oh,
end
well, it's
of 830. We're gonna break it. We're gonna get out of it right now.
yeah, we might get it.
Nvidia and Apple, a little bit negative. Everything else doing just fine. Broadcom leading the way, up a little over 2%. 10-year up to 4.12.
Okay. NQ trying to hold the lower end of this range. ES, same story over there. 68.99. Lower end. NQ gonna give it a shot. The downside here. Go to still short one from 850.
Yes. Yep. Looking
And
for
BT pushing lower.
looking for 800, 790s, just a peak below 800 maybe.
Question in
Taking
chat.
longer than
Exhaustion?
expected, of course.
Exhaustion or absorption?
Feels like exhausted.
Does it? Okay.
That's what and just the way, I mean, look at that barcode. We didn't really go anywhere for 20 minutes. It's maybe what doesn't happen is just as important what does. And if we don't
Mhm.
go up, if we just stay sideways for a little bit, here we are going down.
25,825. Last trade in the NQ. About 40 points off the highs there. Those highs in the NQ. 25,868. Looking at about a 200-point range in the initial balance. Hogan, the NQ, ES, about 30 points or so. High to lows in that first hour into the New York session. Top of the hour in about 18 minutes. All right, gold holding bid. And gold on the move last 30 minutes or so. $30 push higher over that time span. All right, NQ taking a peek to the downside.
Trying.
Roll over,
Yeah.
NASDAQ.
Yep. It's hanging around there. Wasn't able to make the Giga push above 6,900 in the SPX and take a look at the all-time highs. Those zero dates are leaking premium. We don't go higher.
All right, into the teens. 25,817. And QES reluctantly grinding lower here, about 8 points off the session highs as we trade
Hey,
68.96.
Here we go.
So Dakota, for reference, the TPO point of control is down at 770. It's also exactly half the session range today. If that's something you
Ooh.
pay attention to, just some reference.
I could see that, Hoke, right? When that initial spike up, we got to those 70s and we pulled back. That's a
Ooh.
nice level of support and resistance. I'm looking at this one right here, though. We have that big round number 25,800, and a lot of times what I see is we'll peak below it like 790s, 780s maybe, and then we get a bounce. But yeah, very easily we could get down there to those 770s. I wouldn't be surprised. That's a good both. Yeah, that's a good zone. It's a good zone. Basically 770s to 800. And we got that 5-minute close, and that's a very, very solid close below that consolidation. We'll see if we can hold and keep going.
Mhm. Is this the dip to buy in gold? We pulled back $5 off the highs. We're currently trading 42.85. Session highs 42.90. Some change. Out the hour and 15 minutes. Look at that. Look at the NQ 25,800 prints. ES rolling over as well. 68.95. Now trades. $10 off the highs there. 50-50 tilt. MBT rolling over as well. 91,160 last trade. All right, now beneath the 800s. Dakota, now, how are you managing this?
Just watching it right now. Flush into the 90s, and I'm out. Like lower 90s. I want to see like a. Oh, it's so hard
Push.
to explain. Yeah, just a nice, almost like a stop run.
So that Netflix Warner Brothers deal, you're in a bad position where the Trump administration and now Elizabeth Warren are both highly skeptical of it.
No.
Yeah, I
For,
got
for
Warren called
two
proposed
complete, two different reasons. I'm
Netflix
sure.
Warner
Sorry, go ahead.
Brothers deal an anti-monopoly nightmare.
It had to have been Warren that said that.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, okay.
But
And the other side, I'm sure for different reasons. Both opposing it. Interesting.
taking heat from all directions.
I'm surprised they're only down a 0.5%.
Buyer step back in.
I got those 790s, man. And
Oh, you feel you? Oh, you're flat.
no. I'm saying
Oh yeah.
Nasdaq hit that
Gotcha.
price.
And buyers jump right back there in the ES. We're just trading 68.95. Now back up to 69.01. Gold, $10 off the highs. Now $11, trading 42.70 now, 42.80s. All right, you heard Jack just talking about, and Dakota as well, talking about that Netflix deal with HBO, Discovery, whatever else they want to call it. Let's bring that in, just get a little caught up with the news here. Get better. They explain it better than we do. Let's go.
Netflix is expanding its reach. The streaming giant announced Friday that it has come to terms with a deal to buy Warner Brothers Discovery. The total price tag $72 billion in debt. WBD, which is the parent company of CNN, is splitting the company into a pair of publicly traded halves. Once that is finalized, Netflix will take the Warner section, while the other half, named Discovery Global, will keep CNN and other cable channels. Paramount had appeared to be the frontrunner at the bargaining table over the past few weeks, but sources close to the situation say Netflix's two proposals this week were bold. The combination of Netflix, HBO, and Warner Brothers will need a deep regulatory review in several countries, including the US.
So,
As a reminder, Paramount, now called Paramount Skydance, is owned by David Ellison, son of Larry Ellison.
his dad is balling. How about that price? What about that for craziest price action of the year? Oracle stock up 40%
Oh
in
yeah,
one
and
day.
then retraced it
40%
all. I did.
40%
I
in
did
one
just
day.
get long the other day. It was
Oh, damn,
Monday
I think
this week. A little bit.
Oracle.
Yeah.
Yeah, up 40% in one day.
What was it you
incredible.
said?
Oracle on their
What was
earnings.
what?
Okay,
On their
Oracle. Yeah, that.
their earnings, they popped. It was, a $700 billion market cap company spiked 40%.
What did his net worth go?
I remember
What
that.
he was like the richest.
Yeah.
Wow.
Briefly higher than Elon's. And then like the next day, Elon announced he
Oh, that's
bought
right.
$1 billion worth of Tesla stock and took that back.
I remember.
Oh, I want to be that petulant. I want to be that petty. I want to be that petty, man. Just throwing around a bill just to. Oh man,
Come on,
incredible.
friends.
Top of the hour, 10 minutes. Egg. Gold, 42.78. And Q trading 25,802. 798.
All right, let's see if we can get that flush through these 90s.
The 90s, okay. Well, your thoughts on what we're seeing? I know you're looking at gold right now. I'm guessing you're looking at gold right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you
I don't know. I'm trying not to be a Lenny. I don't want it to
If you were
see.
flat.
I don't want to see. Pardon?
If you were flat in gold right now, what would you be looking to do?
I wouldn't be. I don't think I'd be looking for shorts.
Damn, they just hammered ES. What just happened
Okay,
to
I'm
ES? 68.97 Hogue on the bid.
That's the
You're
flush I
flat.
was looking for right there.
Yeah,
Yep, I'm flat.
They just smoked the bid in the ES.
Nice trade, Dakota. Yeah, we've got a failed upside auction in the
Yeah, we do.
S&Ps.
97.
Gold, I don't want to see it trade back to below the IB high, which is 42.70 half. So it probably will. There'll be a bunch of stops there, and then we'll see what happens. I mean, we don't have any risk on the trade, so we're going to see.
Let's trade
Oh,
Dakota.
here's JD now.
Where's JD now?
3-bar
Gold
reversal
now trade.
paid.
Yeah, MBT selling off now. Gold selling off. Go get about $20 sell off in gold in the last 12 minutes. We trade 42.73. ES reluctantly pushing lower. 68.94. 95 is now trade. NQ looking about 100 points, 90 points off the highs as we trade 25,780. Trade indeed. And ES, they just hammered those 97s. 68.97.
There's those 70s, Hogue.
Look at this shit.
Yep. There they go.
Huh. What happened to
Trying to
Delta
figure out.
in the ES there?
4,700 positive now, so it's
It was
come
10,000.
off considered. It's halved.
That in half.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. We
Negative
got
1,200 in the NASDAQ.
Okay. MBT selling off, crude selling off, gold selling off, ES selling off, NQ as well. 25,760 last trade in NQ. ES trading 68.90, call it. They came in, and whoever smoked those 97s got the party started the downside. MBT 90,980 last trade. Nothing on the tilt.
The power of patience. The power of patience, man. It's hard to be patient through that kind of a price action too.
You've gotten so much better, Dakota. You've gotten not better. You've become more patient. I'll say. Earlier this year, it was first 15 minutes you were just slinging size, and you learned the hard way, right? You learned the hard way. It was working, right? And then it stops, and then you totally took a step back. Everyone's been following your journey. You are much more patient now. Cutting. One of your best trades today is when you cut. You got short at 25,819. You puked 835s, lost like what, $30 just to see, and kept going higher and higher and higher. You got back in short, got a better price. Are you green now?
Yeah. Yep. Plus 91. Green on the screen.
Green on the screen.
And
Indeed.
we'll see what happens next. See what happens next. It is Friday.
You're thinking about the streak. You're thinking about the streak, Dakota.
Well, I'm thinking that it's Friday, and
Oh, it is Friday.
Friday's a little bit different. We'll see if there's another setup. I honestly wouldn't mind long if we can get down here towards maybe 720s or find some type of consolidation. Basically looking for the same pattern, but in reverse.
Are the lows in? Hogue got top of the hour, 5 minutes. IB high held in. You consider IB high holding in ES. We had initial balance high is 69.04. We have session highs at 69.05.
Failed upside auction.
Yeah. Same thing, NASDAQ, I guess. You had to preempt it.
NASDAQ, no, it never did extend above the initial balance high.
But it touched it, though, Hogue. That's not, it has to literally, has to go, here we go. We were selling off.
It has to trade above it by at least 2 ticks.
2
to create a failed upside auction.
Why not 1? I'm not being smart. Why not?
There's 1 doesn't create excess.
Okay.
1's a weak high or a poor high.
Six-figure trader says that's why Dakota closed it, because he was watching the P&L. Wrong. I was looking for 780s, 790s before I even placed the trade. I placed it, and everyone was asking my target, and it was the 780s, 790s. I reviewed that a couple times, I thought.
All good. And you know what?
Bitcoin dipping.
Ooh,
yes,
there
it
comes
is.
some volatility
Bitcoin
now.
dipping, gold dipping, ES dipping, NASDAQ dipping. We're looking at about 130 points off the highs in the NQ failed upside auction. Indeed. Where we got? Oh, man. They are hitting the bid now. NQ.
We've locked in some profits here in our gold trade.
A lot downside.
We're just got hit on the stop, 69.70. I wanted to see it hold above the initial balance high, which was 42.70 half. I knew there were going to be a bunch of stops just below that. Just a kind of a bad spot for the stop, but still a profit. Never verbally say, let's get 800 ticks on this one.
I know, man. I know.
That was the high.
100 lot downside in the NQ. A bunch of 100 lots on the bid in the NQ. Got 100 lot 25,737 bid 100 times. There was another 100 lot down there, down about 20 points lower, but we're seeing some bids in the NQ as we trade 25,000. That one, another 100 lot filled. Downside. Where's the next one? 716, pushing lower here, ES and the NQ. It just rolled. This thing just rolled over. Rolled over.
We're on
so much for that
90K
bull
watch.
flag. Oh yeah,
rolled over.
So much for that bull flag. They're just building structure. Yeah, 90,590. Let's trade in the NBT. Looking at about $1,000 sell off in NBT. There's more room to the downside. Are the lows in? We were talking about all-time highs about a half hour ago. At least I was. Silver, all-time highs. We get another push here. 60 seconds till the top of the hour. And Q train 25,728. Remember how reluctant it was to get beneath those 830s, Dakota? Once it went, it only went.
We did, yeah. And
It was patience. Nice conviction.
Exactly. We did tag those 720s. Yeah, I see. I was looking for 720.
You hit it.
We
Yeah.
tagged it. Yeah, that was the low of this move.
Yeah,
Price
looking
action
at
is
that
much better than yesterday.
PC, as we mentioned, it did come on the screws. I'm gonna have to look under the hood to see what components did what, but it's still, kind of high. The year over year came in as expected, 2.8. It was 2.7 previously, so it's not like we've solved this yet.
But we're cutting rates. That should do the trick.
Sure.
Uh-huh. I got some a couple minutes ago headlines from U.S. Energy Secretary. The best producers could make profit at $50 a barrel. That's pretty much the main one. Same person that said it was a great buy, something like that.
It's not what Billy Bob says.
You mean Tommy? Right? Dude, his wife and his daughter are something else in that show. A handful. All right. London close 30 minutes. London close in 30 minutes. IB lows get their IB highs held in the NQ. Not in the ES. Keep an eye on that MBT.
Tommy, I agree with you.
What? You agree with what, Hogue?
Tommy was saying gold longs are tempting here. And I agree.
Mm-hmm.
I had a feeling we had our stop just a little too tight on that.
Oh, we're out?
That happens.
Oh, we're flat?
Yeah. Yeah, we're
All
flat.
right, well, we don't get back in.
75.
Why can't we get back in? If we like the longs. Marinate on that.
I mean, we can.
Just let it play out.
Let's...
You got keep an eye on this MBT. Cool. MBT get beneath 90,000.
Forgotten all this. That the PC. This was the September data, right?
Yes.
What month is it? What
Yeah.
year is it? It's December 5th.
I know, right? Yeah, this is
It's
definitely the
December.
September.
We'll see how we get caught up on that.
Yeah, 68.87. Last trade. NQ. Top around 25,000, 742. 740 is now trade. Well, MBT tested 90,000s. Really on the juice. Not seeing much right now. We get another push lower. MBT, $500 to go till 90,000s. To trade 90,500.
Yeah,
Bitcoin's
in the
getting
spot
whacked still.
92.66 in the spot market for Bitcoin. Let's see if our whale is still around. He has not been. Nope, he's been quiet.
Interesting.
Something's fishy.
The chat. CJ says, "Where's the never short of Friday rally people at now?"
Mm.
I thought I saw a bull flag. I was wrong.
There's your damn double top.
Oh, remember that? That's triple top.
Yeah, triple top it was.
When you tried coming up with "This is why I took the trade," this is the no, Dakota, you said "This is why." That was so good. Sometimes you just say to hell with it.
Here's your bull flag.
Yeah, I'll show you bull flag. All right, MBT trading 90,380.
Oh, that's gonna be close in the spot. 91.80 right now.
Gold trading around trading 42.71 right now. About $20 pullback.
Feels I haven't looked at the data, but it feels like Bitcoin has the tendency to make some kind of wild moves at the end of Fridays, especially to the downside lately.
It goes, it goes.
Going into the weekend.
Crude trading $60.33.
Damn.
Let me see a double bottom here in MBT. The low's around 90,195, so about $350 lower from here. Again, London close, 25 minutes. Uh-oh.
Oh man.
Might be it for MBT. Might be it for MBT. Micro Bitcoin gold. Gold completely has turned all the way around. Nice cut out there. Look at that.
Here we go.
4265 MBT.
90 of 60 in the spot market. We're getting close. It did dip below at the low in the spot I have here is 89,840.
No trade hog.
We did not get back in long here yet.
Nope.
Anyways.
Yeah, okay, fair enough.
Here it comes.
Here it comes.
Validates the stop now.
We got MBT up on their screen. I can go to it.
Yeah.
MBT.
I got it. But I'm looking at the spot right now. We're very close.
Okay, MBT. Yeah, cool. It's holding. It's trying to hold.
Gold just got very whippy.
Yeah, it did. 90,400. They're going to try to hold this level of 90,000.
This is this box I have here.
Trying to fight the good fight. No entry yet. No entry for gold yet. Gold trading 42.69. $20 sell off. We saw a $20, $25 run up about 35 minutes ago. And in the last 20 minutes, we saw a $20 sell off. MBT looking a little heavy again. It's holding here. Oh, there you go. Yep. All right, we're talking $60. All right, we're about to make new lows. MBT here.
Here we go.
Consolidating.
Yeah.
Okay, we're below 90,000 in Bitcoin spot.
Okay, we're about 170 from in futures.
There goes NASDAQ.
Do it.
Starting to push lower.
Yeah. So MB is we was decoupled early. Oh, here we go. 90,000 even prints. We saw 89,970. Now 955s trade, 930s trade. Look out below. 89,900 now prints in MBT. We're in the 800s now. We are seeing some sellers in micro.
It's
Bitcoin.
on.
It is on. What are the equities doing? I just got the full screen on the crypto here.
They're still rolling a little lower.
Are they following it all?
A little bit, yeah, a little bit.
Gold seems to be.
Likely just liquidating a lot of perpetual future longs here. And Fridays in Bitcoin, an iconic duo.
Right. Are the buyers going to step in and try to get long down here? Or is there more push lower in micro Bitcoin? New lows, 89,805. 805 last new lows.
Getting in some reversal. There was a kind of a massive pump yesterday in high beta momentum speculative stocks. You mentioned quantum. Quantum down about 5% across the board right now.
We are not done selling MBT. Now 89,675.
They need Sailor to get in there and buy 13 more Bitcoin stat.
Damn.
Jack, when is quantum gonna see its day? 10 years from now?
Yeah, or perhaps never. I mean, there's I think there's a misconception among the general public of like thinking that quantum is like the next thing for all computing. Um, it has the possibility to be very, very, very good at certain things, like theoretically breaking encryption, but it is it
Gold
basically
getting
there's
crushed
other
though.
things that like GPUs and stuff just do
Gold's getting
better.
crushed.
I'm not a computer engineer.
Oh, gold is getting crushed.
Yeah.
Gold is absolutely getting crushed. Now, 4250s. We're looking at about a $40 turnaround in gold. What's going on in micro Bitcoin? Yeah, let's go full screen of what's going on in gold. Gold getting absolutely smoked here. Look at that.
That was here.
That was no trade. We go to my screen. 4249
That
last trade. Yeah.
Still
that
green.
level at 4280. It's looked up there 3 times now
Uh-huh.
since that October whatever day, and every time it just gets whacked from there. Here it is. Here's on the daily.
Okay, cool.
So there is that October 21st, that big bar. 1, 2, and another third attempt at holding above it fails. There's a good spot.
I
MB
think something more definitive I can say for the quantum folks is say it is 10, 20 years away. I would say it's highly speculative to have a handful of companies that are worth between 10 and $20 billion with $2 million in revenue that are incinerating money.
MBT struggling to hold bid. 89,775. Now 770s trade. Make some new lows. Here we
Well, I
got
wasn't real
Lenny
happy
close.
with that stop in gold, but I'm really happy about it now.
No trade. Uh-huh.
Stop for a reason, huh?
Uh-huh.
Looking for a window, James.
NASDAQ still just hanging between these 20s and not really picking a direction yet. Trying to push lower.
And Bitcoin is still pretty relentless, down to 89,430 in the spot.
MBT futures about to, oop. Trying to hold a bid. About to make some new lows here. T trading 89,000, 6.4. New lows, 6.2, 89,620. Gold getting murdered. Oh, gold is getting murked. Absolutely. 42,000, 42.44. Sellers are jumping in. T new lows, MB. Damn, man.
Gold right back to settlement.
Gold.
Gold. 42.43.
Now 42.38 now print. We're looking at a over $50 sell off here in gold.
It's going to keep going.
940.
42.20. 42.28.
42.28.
It keeps going. That's value low from yesterday.
All right, 42.44. Well, it's all over the place.
Yeah, it is crazy right now.
Uh-huh.
Like Anne Marie said earlier, the markets have the zoomies.
Much cleaner in price action today. We got London closing 15 minutes. Big selling coming in. ES, NQ, MBT, gold as well. Gold looking to make another push. What's going on MBT? Oh boy, MBT, same story over there. Look at that 80 new lows, 89,535s. Damn. They are
And it's
hammering
gone.
this.
Look at this.
Mm-hmm.
Is it getting smoked? I got MBT up. What's going on in gold?
Yeah, gold's continuing to put in new lows.
Oh, check
Very
out that
whippy.
gold. Check out. Wow, gold is absolutely getting worked.
Yep.
42.33. We're looking at about $60 sell off in the last 30 minutes or so. Make it set. Whoa.
There goes
Wow, we
NASDAQ.
are picking up to downside. Okay. Yeah, look, we are selling
Everything's picking up to the downside now.
red. And Q trading
Mag 7
25,000.
mostly holding up. Nvidia down 1.7%.
Okay.
Biggest fall.
Damn.
Meta and Broadcom still up 1%. Bitcoin.
IB lows 673 20 points from IB low, initial balance low in the NASDAQ as we trade 25,695. A little bit of dip buying coming here in gold. Damn. Anything on the ladder? Nope. We'll get another push lower here. MBT. MBT last 30 minutes, 25 minutes, looking at a $2,000 sell off.
So it's not like there was any real news around
wasn't.
this. It was just a. You can just say it was a technical change in the market state for the session so far. Technically in gold, that 4280 level has been visited 3 times. Today's the 3rd time, and it rejects there every freaking time. As far as NASDAQ and S&P are concerned, I mean,
MBT.
they're still higher on the day. So let's keep this in perspective, right? It's not like this is a huge deal.
It's just cleaner. It's the MBT now trading 89,340. 90,000s were nothing. Didn't hold at all.
We're getting close to 89,000 now.
Yes,
Good
we
spot.
are.
Well, we're through at 88,980. And someone corrected me. I did say the NVIDIA points, not percent. NVIDIA is down about 0.9%.
Okay. Won't hold it against you, Jack.
Thank you, Andre.
Yeah, well, that's chat absolutely loving it. 4,000 plus people still watching all across the globe. Click subscribe, please. See if we get to 194,000 subscribers today. Fast markets, we are cooking. MBT selling off, gold selling off. Gold had a hell of a rally too, Hogue. They just bought that sucker up so much for that. CH. We have another push lower here in gold.
Still love gold.
Oh yeah.
We almost got 800 ticks to the downside.
Yeah, the downside, right? I bought it.
Mm-hmm.
The 600 tick range right now.
I saw that 9,000.
Crazy.
9,000. You were just calling it a snooze fest. 9,000. We woke up, baby. We woke up, and we're cooking right now. Look at these prices. NQ trading 25,690s. 690s. Looking about a 200 point sell off. We got initial balance low, about 20 points lower. ES 25 points off the highs as we trade 68.80.
There's a little bit of buying coming in right now.
There is. I wonder if they're preempting the London close. Preempting that. Perhaps turn around. All right. Well, before we find out, if we want some more volatility, I know who to bring in here. We got some more updates. We got some announcements. We got some news. Dr. Volatility, if you're good to go, I am. What's up, James? Happy Friday. Let's get some more volatility.
Hey, Andre. Hey, chat. It's me, Quentin Tarantino's second least favorite actor. And I'm here to talk to you about Instagram. If you're anything like me, you woke up your hand shaking from excitement of using social media apps again, and boy, do we have one for you. It's the TopStep TV social media Instagram account. If you're not following it already on Instagram, why not? You can catch market breakdowns, smart setups, and real trading talk about what it takes to win. Don't miss highlights and reruns from TopStep TV right in your sweaty little palms on Instagram. Go ahead, we're going to drop the link in chat. Give us a follow, and then head to Instagram and start scrolling today. We post a lot of cool stuff over there. Check out our stories, follow the main core TopStep account, and always stay connected with TopStep wherever you go. Then, later today, y'all already know it, group coaching rolls on at 12:15 p.m. Central Time. Group coaching, it's the time of the day when you get to ask JD, Hogue, and Hoop any trading question you want, and they have to answer it. It's their job. You can ask anything you like, from chart setups to product informations to what it was like back in the pit. They're going to take their lunch hour, sit down with you, and make sure that they're dropping great stories and helpful education bits that you can put into action right away. Group coaching, it's at 12:15 right after shoulder tap at noon, so stick around for 2 amazing segments back to back. Now, guys, big day. It's a big day today for one of the most anticipated sporting events in the world. I'm talking about the FIFA Men's World Cup, where Lionel Messi will be looking to defend Argentina's 2022 title in what will likely be his final World Cup. The draw is being held at the John F. Kennedy Center for the Performing Arts in Washington, D.C. at noon Eastern Time. The 42 teams that have qualified for the soccer tournament plus 6 placeholders will be drawn into 12 groups of 4 teams. Those 6 placeholder spots will be determined in a series of playoff matches next spring. 16 cities in the United States, Canada, and Mexico will host the tournament next summer. Once the draw is complete, the tournament bracket and the host venue for each game will be finalized.
Okay. Can we bring that? James, do we get that? It's slow. Can we?
Let me look.
Never mind.
That would be fun.
It's a big deal. It's a global event. It's a big deal. World Cup's a big deal.
See if Trump can twist some arms, get the U.S. in a nice group.
Yeah, well,
Who am I kidding? We'll probably, we'll lose to Micronesia or something like that.
FIFA is open for business, so I mean, you never
They
know.
are.
Uh-huh. All right. London close 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Bottom of the hour.
Buy it. Maybe a 3-bar reversal here.
Yeah. Are they preempting the London close? Yes,
Maybe.
James. Okay.
We got gold to hit that 42.28 level. Let's see if we get a bounce off of that.
Buyer stepping
Buyers,
in.
Yeah, buyer stepping in.
Okay. We'll see, James. I mean, markets aren't doing anything. MBT. About a 400-point bounce.
Session highs? Why not?
89,580. Why not, man? Why not?
Let's go around the world.
Mm-hmm.
That old refresh, Dakota. 68.86 last trade in that's now 87's print. Looking about a 10-point turnaround. What happens in 7 minutes on the hour?
Dakota's just showing patience. That's what happened to Dakota.
Mannequin challenge.
Yeah, that's all that happens.
Again, pin at the top of the chat. Got those group coaching. Form for group coaching. Coach Jay got morning recap again at the top of the hour. Failed upside auction, Hogue. Failed upside auction. Back at it.
Yep.
Back down. Back down. This is going.
Yeah, MBT was met with some more selling, but gold is looking at a $12 pop off the lows.
Right off that low.
Yeah.
We still in that trade, Hogue?
Oh no. Which
What's
trade?
the final gold
Oh
trade?
no, we managed the risk. We made 75 ticks on it. Once it gave up
Cool.
the
What's
IV high, we were out.
What's the P&L?
$75.
Hey,
75 bucks. How about that?
You know what they say in
80,
Cicero?
72. Yeah. What is it? Hogue? Hogue? What do they say in Cicero? Hogue?
$75 is $75.
What a dramatic pause. That's my guy, Hogue, man. You get more of that in the morning recap. Then shout out to Bakesy in the chat. Just made 10 bands on the downtrend.
Oh wow. Wow.
Fact. Which down, I guess they all went down. So nice job there.
No, that's a band is 1,000, right? I got to get me up on these
Hogue.
numbers.
Well, chat, can you help Hogue out? Hogue tells you what initial balance high and low is. You guys got to tell Hogue what a band is. What is, what a rack is. G
my
is,
favorite that I learned this year is that a billion is a yard.
A billion is a
that
yard.
right?
I
You
did
rapping
not
about
know
yards?
that.
Yeah, this is all just you know, I don't know
Yeah.
where it comes from. I don't think it was set by an official numbers agency, but I saw someone when that Bitcoin whale was in, being like, you know, this guy's long or short 15 yards of Bitcoin right now.
Hold on, chat.
3-bar reversal on the NASDAQ is working out pretty well.
Cheeks clap. Yes, it is 25,740 in the NQ. 80-point turnaround.
Did anybody catch that? Did anybody catch this one? This one was pretty clean. It's already hit that 1-to-1 risk reward.
So a band is 1,000. 10K is a brick. A stick is a million. A yard is a billion.
All right, Hogue, it's Friday.
I know. I just I'm not up on all the lingo.
100%. What'd you guys call it in the pit? Someone
What,
made 10
1,000?
grand. 10 G's, right? 10 G's?
Yeah, 10 G's.
Yeah.
10 G's.
Mm.
Yeah, I made a G on that trade.
If
Especially
we could
during
take the
roll.
restrictions off the size limits for like the practice counts or something, maybe we could do, instead of a reversal challenge one day, do like the yard challenge. See if someone can hit $1 billion in power hour.
The longest yard.
What? Yeah.
the
What?
long-
That's the name. I like the name. Let's start getting that cleared right now. Look at 42.47 trading in gold, about $20 off the lows. Again, gold, $30 push higher, just to follow it up with a $63 push lower. Good movement over there. London close in about 2 minutes. Look at crude trading $60.15. Yep, again, get those questions in for group coaching. I will be on shoulder tap today, Jack. Actually, you will be busy. I'm nervous. Help me out. Give me a quick crash course. What do I do? How are the traders doing today? Aaron,
I find it helpful, like if you have some time beforehand, to copy paste their trade report into a spreadsheet. That way you can just order their days by, say, their net P&L and kind of see what they're doing.
Love that. Always try to get in that trader's head, put myself in their shoes. Ooh, ES. I'm sorry, NASDAQ just got met with some selling there. What was that? We were just checking. Well, Edmonds, you were just talking about VWAP, overnight VWAP in ES. I'm sorry, the NASDAQ up around 25,740. It just smoked it about 50 points lower there.
All right.
News.
So for reference, a nominal yard in the NQ would be about 1,950 contracts to be long or short $1 billion. So to actually make $1 billion, I don't know, let's say you need a 5% move. 1950, you probably need to trade about 40,000 NQ to Stand a chance.
Right on. Okay.
So a 5% move on 40,000 NQ would get you a yard.
Okay.
So
5%. How are we gonna do that in
So
reversal
there's a chance.
challenge? Is there another market we
There's a
can?
chance.
So
so that's about,
oh,
it's a little over 10% of the volume from yesterday is 40,000 contracts.
oh, that's. I mean, now we're talking, man. Now we're
I
talking.
mean,
What? Let's do it.
you gotta
Practice
swing
accounts
big.
only. Practice accounts only. We got the reversal challenge coming back today.
It's about 9% of the open interest.
I mean, that's what we do in the reversal challenge. That's the practice accounts only, just for entertainment, just to close out the trading week. But,
Actually,
Gotta,
11% of the open interest.
you don't make that money
Crazy.
unless you become the egg man. You know what I'm saying?
hey, I thought you said Eagle Man. Yeah.
the Eagle man, the
That many
NQ man.
contracts, I mean, you can actually move the
Button close.
market to a point.
Oh yeah.
Market's always
Oh,
going to find its rightful place, but you can certainly move things around a little bit.
Trick is getting out.
Yes.
It's the hardest part of a trade. I've always
Yes.
said that. Hardest part of a trade, getting out of it.
The noodle man.
And Q, there you go. And Q pushing down, closing in on overnight. I'm not overnight. Initial balance lows. NQ trading 25,673. Yeah. ES doing the same
More
thing,
selling.
68.75.